That I have these cut out, I have to basically isolate them from each other and then get all this excess material along the edge out because I can't cast it in plaster until all this is gone. So in order to do that, I'm going to use my saw and just cut out slice by slice and then chip it away, try to get a flat bottom. Only problem with that is I only get one shot because as soon as I cut this top part, I don't have a reference edge. So I can't use the saw on it anymore. The closest whole integer in inches is 1¼ inch. So we're gonna set this depth stop right here to 1¼ inches. Hopefully it is labeled. Yep, there you go. Good scale right there. So there's 1½ right there. So that's gotta be about 1¼ inch. Another way before I go to get a good idea is because we have a nice flat edge here, I can just set it on there parallel and it's not quite touching the bottom, but it's close. We got eyes covered, we got ears covered, we got arms covered, and the blade is set slightly deeper than what I felt it needed from here. Now I wanted to start further away than closer because this thing took 10 hours to make, so I don't want to start cutting into it. I'm going to do another one and we'll work that cut over and then see how deep we are compared to the bottom of the print. Now we're a few cuts in on it. I am not aiming for the edge of that one yet. I just want to see how it does on this corner. And just feeling in there, I can tell that the blade is deeper than the bottom of the cut. I said print earlier, it's actually a cut. So yeah, I think that's the right depth. I'm going to lock it in place and then just go over it and over it and over it and over it and kill all my batteries. This is how we're looking so far. It's working out great, but I can't cut that middle part out the same way because there's no flat reference edge to go off of. I can only cut kind of outwards bit by bit because as I remove this, I don't have anything to put the saw against that's flat. So luckily I just sharpened my chisels and I'm gonna have to hand remove this part. Could just use a pocket knife, but hey, fresh chisels, may as well.